everyone, thanks so much for joining me today and welcome back to Time with Lydia, the pharmacist. If you're new here, a warm welcome to you, and to all our returning subscribers, thank you so much for joining me once again. Today I'm going to be talking about home remedies for treating a chapped or dry lips. You know, the most sensitive part of the body, which always has a threat of getting chapped or dried, is the lips. As winter advances, the problem of chapping and dryness of lips increases even more. You will agree with me that cracked and desiccated lips are not good to look at. Such lips can even get infected very easily. To look good and to liberate yourself from getting any kind of infection, it's essential to give proper care and treatment to the lips. So if you want to get stunning lips, follow the natural home remedies for dry lips that I'm going to be sharing today. These home remedies are very simple and they are easy to do. And the good thing about these remedies is that you can use your normal day-to-day products that you have sitting in your cupboard at home to carry them out. They are so simple to do. All you need to do is adopt one of these home remedies and follow it religiously to see the result. Before we start talking about the home remedies, I want to give a brief overview of some of the causes of dry lips, because when you know the cause, then you can avoid the cause and prevent yourself from getting dry lips. The first and common one is licking your lips again and again. Dehydration can also cause dry and chapped lips. Improper care of your lips, breathing through your mouth, some chemicals, for example, sodium lauryl sulfate that is found in some toothpaste, acids present in citrus fruits, dry, cold or heat conditions, allergies, exposure to the sun, especially if you don't use a cream with a sun protection factor in it. There are some lip balms that have got sun protection factors in them, and they are the most appropriate ones to use. Certain medications and some health conditions can also cause dry lips. Excessive smoking and changes in climatic conditions. For example, during winter, you have the tendency of suffering from a dry lip more than during the summer. So what you will realize when you have a dry lip is that your lips will look cracked. Sometimes there will be bleeding. There can also be dryness. Sometimes some sores will develop and there can be swelling as well, flaking, and scales can drop from your lips. So now let's move on straight to our home remedies for dry and chapped lips. The first and the most simple home remedy that you can carry out to treat your dry or cracked or chapped lips is to use cucumber. Cucumber has many healing compounds that can help your lips stay hydrated. Pressing cold cucumber slices on your lips can moisturize them and prevent it from drying. You just need a few cucumber slices and take around 4 to 5 slices and press it gently on your lips. Let the juice of the cucumber stay on your lips for 10 minutes and rinse afterwards, or wipe with a dry cloth. Since this is a natural home remedy, you can use this 1 to 2 times every day. Home remedy number 2 for dry, cracked or chapped lips: aloe vera gel. If you're wondering how to say goodbye to dry and cracked lips during the winter or in any dry conditions, try aloe vera. And this is the reason why aloe vera is good. Aloe vera hydrates the skin and it can treat inflammation. It has a moisturizing effect and it's awesome for dry skin. If you need an added boost, you can mix in some castor oil with the gel to speed up the healing process. Get some aloe vera gel or an aloe vera leaf and scrape the gel off yourself. If you have the leaf, cut it sideways, and drain out the gel in an airtight container. Apply this gel on your lips before going to bed every night and wash your lips in the morning. Use this home remedy once a day right before bedtime to get the best results. The third home remedy that you can use to treat cracked, chapped, or dry lips is brown sugar, honey, and olive oil mix. This is one of the simplest home remedies because it's very easy to whip it up. So why is this a good home remedy for dry, chapped, or cracked lips? Olive oil softens and nourishes the skin, whilst the antibacterial properties of honey helps lock in the moisture. Scrubbing your lips with brown sugar improves blood circulation in your lips, making them appear softer and suppler. All you need is a few drops of olive oil, a teaspoon of brown sugar, and half a teaspoon of organic raw honey. Mix the sugar, olive oil, and honey in a bowl. Make sure that the sugar doesn't dissolve completely in the honey and apply the mix to your lips. Scrub it over gently on your lips, just the way you exfoliate, to remove the dead cells. You can use this remedy alternate days for best results. Once your lips turn smooth, you can reduce the usage to once or twice a week. Now, the fourth home remedy for dry, chapped, or cracked lips is green tea bags. Here is another reason to add it to your groceries. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants which nourish and moisturize the lips. The tannins present in green tea hydrate your skin and prevent cracking or dryness. All you need is a single green tea bag and some hot water. Soak the green tea bag in hot water and let it sit for a few minutes. Keep the bag on your lip and leave it on for a while, probably about 5 minutes. Try this remedy once every day and you will soon see results. Home remedy number 5 for dry, chapped, or cracked lips: vanilla, sugar, and baking soda. Even though it is so simple, this vanilla method is a home remedy that works like magic on your lips. The reason why this works is that the sugar and baking soda exfoliates your lips and remove the dead skin cells. The baking soda lessens the stingy sensation, whilst the vanilla extracts adds a nice scented feel to the scrub. All you need to make this mixture is 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of jojoba oil, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix all these ingredients together and apply this blend on your lips. Scrub gently and rinse after a while. You can refrigerate the remaining blend in an airtight container to use it later, as its shelf life is a week. Initially, it's recommended that you use the scrub every day for the first few weeks. Once the condition of your lips improves, you can stick to using it once a day or 3 times a week. And the final and number 6 home remedy that you can use for dry, chapped, or cracked lips is petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly is a household product that does so many good to our bodies. And the treatment of cracked, chapped, or dry lips is no exception. Simply apply petroleum jelly over your lips several times a day to provide your lips with proper nourishment and protection. Petroleum jelly forms a barrier over the skin and prevents moisture loss. Do note that petroleum jelly itself does not hydrate the skin. It does help seal in existing moisture, and this property makes it one of the best and easiest way of treating dry, chapped, or cracked lips. Do you have any tips of your own for relieving dry, cracked, or chapped lips. I would love to hear your ideas and experiences. Please leave your comments in the comment section and let me know what you do when you get a dry, cracked, or chapped lip. Thank you so much for your time today. I hope you have learned something new. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to share with family and friends. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please hit on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for your time once again, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.